are at Just Tune, and if y'all didn't know, I bought a 2019 ZR1 again, and this one's white. And we did a few things to it at the shop. We did a 285 upper pulley on it, Cordis Performance cold air. We did a meth kit, set of Kooks headers, and that's about it. It's on pump gas still right now, so we're over here at Justin's, and he's going to get the car tuned. He'll probably make around 800 horsepower on 91, 93 octane. And then after we get it run on this, then we're going to switch over to ethanol next. I don't know when, but we are going to switch over to ethanol and see how much power we can get to make on some good E85. These cars run really good. They got a 2650 supercharger on them stock. And so we'll see what it does here with just these few little bolt-ons. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to let you know whenever I post a new video. This is a car here, it's white. I got the carbon fiber lid off of the blower right now so you can see it, but got the LT5 there. We put some Forge Line wheels on it, got the 17-inch beadlocks in the back. But other than that, it's pretty nice, clean, low-mile white ZR1. It's got the blue calipers, blue stitching, comp seats. It's a pretty cool option car and is a low-wing car. It's a non-ZTK car. I do love the white though. The white with the blue looks really good. The blue kind of like goes with the factory emblems. And we got all the blue stitching on the seats, on the dash, door panels. What do you think about these ZR1s, Justin? Pretty cool cars.
I like them. I just have to have the C6 version. I can't afford.
Yeah.
They can't afford the C7 version.
Your C6 ZR1's white too, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Did a pull there, it made 745, that was the first pull, but it's definitely lean, so we're gonna add some more fuel into it. Actually quite a bit more fuel, and hopefully we can be closer to 800 this next pull. That's where we're at right there, guys. See, that's where our air fuel is there. The red line's where we should be, so it's a little lean on that pull there. We're at 772 that pull. Still, you can see we're just a little lean there, but definitely a good power increase doing back-to-back pulls. This is still just on 91 octane. Now we do have a meth kit on there, which does help out quite a bit, but these cars pick up a lot when you put them on ethanol. So if we can get this thing over 800 on just pump gas, we'll be super pleased with that. For just really a few mods: upper pulley, headers, and an intake and meth kit. That's it. So it's pretty good. We also do have the bigger drag radials on there too, which will skew the power numbers a little bit. It'll actually make the power numbers lower than if we had the factory 20s on the back. Car drives great now. Real smooth. I like the, when it downshifts, got the pops. She's fast. Cars are so incredible, guys. If you ever get the means to have funds to get a C7 ZR1, it's hands down, for the money, the price point these cars are at. I'm not really sure what's better, to be quite honest with you. For a complete driving experience, I have not driven a manual one. I heard the manual ones are a super blast to drive. Hopefully I can do that soon. But for right now, the automatics are the only ones I've driven, and they are amazing machines. They're a lot of money, but they are incredible. I mean, you figure this car's making over 800 wheel horsepower with basically a pulley, headers, and an intake. So to do that on a C7 Z06, you need to do quite a bit of mods. Not saying the C7 Z06s aren't great cars, because they're amazing as well. They're cheaper as well. But for a exclusive car you don't see on the road every day, the ZR1 is a really nice car for the money. I would take this over an R8. I would take this over a lot of cars in that $200,000 to $300,000 price range.